Yes, sir. I'm streaming. We're good, ready to go. Um, do some checking things out. I don't know what I really want to do because I got options, right? I have this over here, which I don't know why I left it. Oh, it was right here. I finished. This is the first. This is Google Web Fonts. Is it? Yes. Google Web Fonts. So this is the first link in lesson 6. Obviously, I just finished lesson 5 like 2 days ago. So I was thinking maybe I can do this one, or I can keep going with the UX with the Snapchat, which I believe it was. I was on Figma. That's the step I was doing. I'm gonna go through all steps with this one. It's been not a minute. It's just I've never gone through all steps. With I barely touch Figma, bro. Barely. Mostly I'm on Whimsical. I don't know why, but I'm on it now. Let's do it. Let's go on Figma for a bit, and then I'll go back to lessons to finish lesson 6. Yes, sir. I want to do them. Well, we'll see. I would like to just do all the lesson in one. And I feel like if I did it right now, all in one, it'd be a long time. From me not doing UX, so I'm gonna go back to UX for a bit. We're like hands on, and I'm gonna do it for 5 minutes again, just cause I could be here all day, bro. When it comes to UX, I could be here for hours. It's 1:26, but I don't got work tomorrow. I didn't have work today. I don't know why I was so late. Just a lot of sleeping. I've been working a lot. It's peak season, but we're almost over. I believe I did 5 days of work last week, or last week, and then this is my last week of 5 days. Then we go back to our regular 40 hours. So I've been doing 50 weeks. 50 hour weeks. All right. Yeah. So once it's not peak season anymore, then I'll probably start on. I don't know, maybe I'll have more energy, but for sure I'll have, for sure it'll be 4 days, three off days. Okay, so this is basically like a Snapchat type of thing. Let me open it up right here. So we got Figma, and then we got the, I'm gonna close Snapchat. We got Whimsical. So the steps go like, you start with Whimsical and whatnot. Obviously everybody has different steps, but the one that I found online, because I'm new to this UX, I got the ideas, I just like don't know how to do it. So like the main, like if we zoom out, it's interface. That's what I want to do, interface. And we zoom all the way out. You know, you start zooming in, you got UI and UX. You know, so now like I'm learning both. This is what this is right here. Right now, so far it's been pure UI, fonts and this and that. Like lesson 6 typefaces, that's all UI. There's a lot of lessons. This is like, I don't know, I think it's like 30, something like that. So it's a bit. So yeah. So Whimsical, I feel like is more for when you have original ideas. Like let's say I was working with a client. That's what it feels like right now. It doesn't feel like I should be using it for these little like these little challenges that I'm doing. Like this challenge was make your settings, any mobile settings, game settings, app settings, and I just chose Snapchat. But anyways, I think I copy and pasted. Let's see. I have 2 lines. Let's do. Copy, paste. Let's do like 10 lines. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. I'm gonna try to get I don't know if this one's gonna do it. No. It's not gonna do it. So it's not gonna click. No, which one's this one? On the X, no, on the Y axis, 275. How much is Hey Siri, 275 minus 206.
275 minus 206 is 69.
69, alright. 69, so 206 plus 69. We gotta do some math here so it could be even. So that's 275. This one's gonna be 344. We gotta have it even though. And then we got, where's line 9? One more. 413. 413. Boom. I don't know why I don't click, but guess it. What is that? 8. I don't click. I guess 42. 482. 7. 5, 5, 2. Because, well, actually, I might have to look at Snapchat because this doesn't really represent it like that. That's what I'm saying. Like with this one, it's just a wireframe, but that looks very detailed to be a wireframe. But anyways, wireframes are just supposed to be like very simple, very simple. No pictures or anything like that. UX wireframe. It's supposed to be very simple. Well, I mean, different people do it differently. But it's supposed to be very simple. Obviously, this is very detailed over here, but I went a little overboard. I should have just had placement and whatnot. You don't really need a wireframe when I'm just copying. So for settings, I'm doing Snapchat settings, and I know there's no. Or from what I know of, there's no settings on. There's no Snapchat settings on desktop. So I was like, what if there was? So I did a desktop mode, and so that's not like an OG idea. You know what I'm saying? So it's like I really like it's already there. Like, yeah, that makes any sense. Anyways, 10. Oh no, it was 51. 51. Okay, we got 6. 620. I'm pretty sure the time is up already. Yeah, time's up. Guess I'll just do these right here. 5 minutes goes by so quick, bro. Maybe I just need to shut up, huh? Just need to shut up. Shit, man. Shit, man. 89. Just enough to fill the this up. 4. Damn, how many, bro? How many is it gonna be? 89. 7. Oh, that was very close. That was, next one's 58. Last one. Whoa. No. Alright, last one. 827. 820. Long one. Okay. 827. Okay, I'm gonna copy. And I'm gonna probably, how many? 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's off of 3, huh? Alright. Let's do 15. Add it. 896. 896. Boom. 4. Guesstimate. Oh, that was close. 965. That was very close. Line 13. Let's do it. Whoa, what did I do? Let's do another guesstimation. Something like that. Let me add it. 34. Oh, again, that was pretty close. A little bigger. Should we? And so we'll delete these two. We'll delete these two. How do you delete? What's a delete button? It's just backspace. There you go. Alright, well, I'll leave it at that. That's all I got to do today. For too much talking. I'm trying to keep the videos short. How much are we at? 12 minutes? Okay, yeah, it's pretty short. Alright, cool. Shirt's kind of big, man. Look at that big ass collar, bro. Wait, no, that's not. It's a mirrored. Alright. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. You have a good ass day. Peace out. Merry Christmas. I might still be live streaming on Christmas. I don't know. That's why I kind of hesitated on saying that because why would I say it early when I'll be live streaming? But anyways, peace out. Thank you guys for watching.